But before that is the preliminary design. When I put relay, that is secondary. Preliminary is only once you are confident that the mass level will start its factory. What is the transformer rating? 630 kVA. Yes, 630 kVA. We have discussed in the classroom, right?
Yes, sir.
630 kVA 11 by 0.4. Don't forget the basic and advanced. First is basic. If you don't know transformer is just come here. So this is AC side. HV, yes, HV, high voltage, low voltage. Any doubt?
No doubt, no doubt.
Yes. This is Y type, right? There are dry types also. Because all transformer, diffusion transformer can be dry. You have to understand the construction and design. What is the difference between Y type and dry type? But it is step down. 11 kV step down to 430 volt 3 phase. Is it clear? This is arching. See. Yes. See how the arching started. Start. And this is start. And that star is coming. Come. Whether it is overcurrent, fast, and second is hard fault. It is implemented and running fine. This building. And it is this building which is running by these transformers and breakers, right? And these are all 11 kV and step down to 430 sides outgoing. Are you getting my point? There are outgoings. So how the outgoings via these breakers 11 kV then step down to 430 volt 3 phase, and that outgoing cables are going to the LT panels. So the basement, we'll show you next. This is coming. Incoming they are from these 4 poles you have seen, right? HV side, LV side, and then LV side is going to the low voltage basement. Fundamental idea should be very clear. Any doubt? Preliminary or basic engineering clear? Advanced level is in front of you. What are the relays? What is this relay? This is protection. This is relay ADR141S. Protection means how we are giving protection to this transformer and its accessories. These are the relay. ASIDA numerical relay protection ADR is the model of ASIDA 141S. Now if you type, if you Google it, you will get the relay details. There are again 2 types of protection. I told you in the morning. What are the 2 types? Protection? One is? Another is? Hard fault, right? See, here that is ASIDA and the CT and the details. Entire relay are connected by CT here, because without current you cannot protect. Without PT you cannot protect. There are needs, voltage as well as current. The current transformer purpose is to measure and protect. Voltage transformer to measure voltage and protect. So what are all protection in voltage? Over voltage or under voltage. And finally it is flux. Flux means V by F. Voltage by frequency, it is flux. So under flux and over flux, that will really deteriorate your transformer. It's a very basic design concept of a product transformer. Similarly, entire feeders, it's a feeder, right? 11 kV feeders are coming. Let's see 80 feeders again. So that is protected by arc fault and overcurrent. And the relay is designed in such a beautified way. And that is a metering circuit here. 11 kV and down the line. See what are all current setting. 1000 by 5 amps. And that class is 1 and 5 VA. And ACB, this ACB is, your circuit breaker is 1000 amps. Right? These are the incomer of entire, I have shown you the main incomer of LT. So this is LT sides, 430 volt or 0.4 kV. Am I right, clear?
Yes, sir.
So from incoming side to outgoing. Now coming back to this one by one. Let's close it. This is what protection we are discussing, right?
Yes.
So as far as CBIP, the entire electrical and automation chapter. If you see here, standalone and left and right, there are hardwares, there are insulators, there are protection. So these are the protection devices. Starts from electromechanical relay. Electromechanical relay, because our entire globe started with this much of protections. Whether it is motor protection, whether it is feeder protection, I hope you have seen in your factory also. So electromechanical is the first, or what we discuss in the morning to evening, that is motor protection, feeder protection. It can be a LT motor, it can be a AC motor, but ultimately few years back this was the single model. And I hope you have seen after that there are certain types like static type also, static relay, SPAM relay. Have you heard? Thank you. So for motor protection, SPAM, and for feeder protection, SPATCH, J. So SPAM version, SPATCH version, and there are two types. One is feeder or line subtransmission line, another is transformers, another third one is bus. So as far as feeder chapter concerns, I just shared different slides, theoretical point of view. Right now this is practical concerns. What are all protections to be there in the industry which are maintaining by us, on day-to-day basis as far as preventive and predictive, right? We discussed from the beginning, preventive maintenance. How preventive maintenance of a breaker, how preventive maintenance of a relay, this is ACB. How preventive maintenance of this CTPT, how preventive maintenance, these are the switches, these are the meters, and every meters are calibrated. This is analog meters, whether it is come one by one. This is 16 ampere MCB, correct? So miniature circuit breaker. This is again a controlling device and protecting device. So this is controlling and this is protecting. The fast devices in our factories, LT or LV, as well as our residence and commercial buildings, that is none other than fuse. So fuse can be 630 amperes, fuse can be this 10 amperes, fuse can be 125 based on the circuit rating, feeder rating. Yes. I hope it is very clear what rating and what is the uses of these fuses. And nowadays it is not at all fuses. In special cases, certain contactors and others, nowadays it is this MCB or MCCB. What is MCCB? Molded case circuit breaker. So it is slightly higher. When MCB there are certain limits. So if you see the limits here, they are just mentioned as far as visibility at present. Once we exceed this 100 amps, you could be MCCB. And there are other protections. It is not only over current, there are over voltages also. As you ask to the shopkeepers and shop owners, what is the price? You will just surprised. The cost of a MCCB is double than MCB because higher protection. Because you are not familiar till date. If there are higher level of protection under MCCB, which is not covered under MCB. And I told you in the morning, if we case study it thoroughly, any feeder protection in the country and the globe, there are major faultage. Which comes normally mega ohm. Earth test never comes in mega ohm. It is under ohm. Am I right? Yes. So that is the difference between earthing resistance and insulation resistance. This is lighting arrestor. Very important chapter when I discuss insulation coordination, overhead light equipment. These are the technology, polymer pin and post insulator. This is polymer insulator, glass insulator. So technological revolutions. Glass insulator. Nowadays we will see this glass. Am I right? Yes. Porcelain insulator. So these are the phases of technological modification. Now this is ACSR conductor. Whatever I discussed. How the ACSR conductor, whether panther, whether moose, whether zebra, dog, all are naming after animals, right? Whether zebra, panther, goat, they're all animal names. Aluminium cable. So you have to compare aluminium cable conductor. This is cable glands. How the glands, and then lugs will be there. The cable glands and lugs. Now coming back to this particular protection areas, this is a testing instrument, continuous variable auto transformers. This is a different testing, dual DC power supply. This is again numerical testing bench, ASIDA, overcurrent, and then again hard fault. It's complete test bed. This is absolutely numerical relay, and that is differential relay. Test bed. You can have a test, right? Similar way, there is a testing bench. Entire things we have because of to test motor checking, and this is for your cut model for PH transformers, and finally LCR meters. So this is a very brief three-phase induction motors. Now these are motor divisions. All these devices, control and devices. So pneumatic, this is control and protection. Now it is devices and C&I, control and instrumentation. All these C&I chapters. Whether it is pressure transmitters, this is the typical example in front of you, pressure transmitters, differential pressures, industrial pressure switch, right? Actuator, solenoid valve. So this is all under C&I, under process plant or power plant. These are all valves, gate valves, right? Centrifugal pumps, reciprocating pumps. So this is very clear. This is 11 kV SF6 circuit breaker. I hope everybody are using in your area also. SF6. Sulfur hexafluoride circuit breaker. It is not ACB or VCB. You have seen VCB there. Yes. 11 kV. Now it is SF6. The digital, this is arbitrary functioning generator. This is cathode ray tube.